Hi friends, this is Mrs. Gustafson. Today I'm going to teach you how to install and use a new app. It's called Nearpod. To get onto Nearpod, you're going to start by going into self-service. It's a rainbow colored app. You're going to go up to the search bar and you're going to type in the word Nearpod. Pause the video right now if you need help spelling this word. It's a blue and white app. I already have this app installed on my iPad, so I don't need to click anything else, but if you don't have yours installed, you can click Install. Then, friends, you will wait for it to come up on your screen. If you need to, you can search for it. Nearpod looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and click on Nearpod. Once I'm on Nearpod, it's possible the app might ask if you need to allow it to push notifications. You can say no to that. It's going to ask you to put in a lesson code and then click join. Each time we use Nearpod, you will have a different lesson code. Today your lesson code is this: R, F, A, 5, and B. We will put this on one of the papers in the Seesaw activities so you'll be able to recall it. R, F, A, 5, and B. I'm going to go ahead and type that in for us now. I click in the box. I click in R, A, R, F, A, 5, and B. Once I have the code typed in, I can click join. This brings me to the activity. Today, you'll just need to sign in with your name. So I'm just going to sign in as Mrs. G. And I don't need to put my anything else, just Mrs. G. It says landforms. Today our subject is all about landforms, and there are a whole variety of landforms here for us to learn about. Each time you're ready to go to a new page, you're going to pick this blue button here. This says physical features like rivers and mountains. These things are not made by man. Those are landforms. Then, friends, when you see things like this, it'll have some pictures coming. This says a mountain has steep sides and a pointy top. On a map, mountains are usually brown areas. Then it's going to ask you a question. This is an open-ended question. The question is at the very top. Have you ever hiked a mountain? You're going to say yes or no, whether you have hiked a mountain, and then you can give more detail about it. Yes, I have hiked a mountain in Iceland. When I'm done typing my answer, friends, I'm going to press this keyboard key right here, and that gets me back so I can click submit. Then it gives me this amazing opportunity to visit a mountain. To visit the mountain, I use my finger to scroll around. I can scroll up, I can scroll down. I can also move my iPad, and as I move the iPad, it takes me around the mountain. So friends, you're going to experience a mountain kind of like going on a field trip to a mountain. When you're ready, go to the next page. This one is Mount Rushmore. Same thing, friends. You can go ahead and explore Mount Rushmore by moving your iPad around. You can scroll up or down to learn more, or from side to side, use your fingers. Then it talks about a volcano. You're going to be reading about a volcano. And then, friends, it gives you a chance to learn more about the volcano. This gives you a chance to explore the volcano. So again, friends, you're going to use your finger, like you're going on a field trip to a volcano, and move your finger around. This talks about a plateau. Gives you a little bit more information about a plateau and a valley, and then gives you a chance to go on a field trip exploring a plateau and a valley. then a little bit about a lake, and gives you a chance to explore a lake. Move your finger around so you can see all around the lake. Then it talks about a river and gives you a chance to explore a river. Then it gives you a chance to learn about an ocean. You're going to do some writing. It says, draw animals that you would find in an ocean. So you're going to use down here, maybe you want to draw a fish that lives in the ocean. Add a little bit more detail than that. That's a really quick drawing from Mrs. Gustafson, but when you're done, you're going to click Submit. Then it gives you a chance to explore an ocean. Then it says draw a river. And again, friends, you're going to use the colors down here. You can even change the size of them. So if I want a thicker line, whoop, not yellow though. Let me try that again. I'm going to try erasing all of that. And I'm going to try blue again. And I want a nice thick river. You would add lots of detail about your river and click Submit when you're done. The teachers will be able to see what you did. Then draw a lake. And again, friends, you're going to draw a lake and color it in. And click Submit when you're done. Draw a mountain. You can change colors. Draw your mountain the best that you can with lots of detail, and then click Submit. Draw a hill. You're going to draw the best hill that you can. Click Submit when you're done. Draw a valley. Ooh, what would that look like? You're going to add lots of detail, then click Submit. Draw a plateau. Again, friends, you would draw it with the best amount of detail that you can and click Submit. Then you're going to take a moment and you're going to write a fact about each landform. So you can write inside the box, what do you know about each landform? Then you're going to label the landforms. The words are over on the side. When you're done, click Submit. All right, nice job, friends. I hope you enjoyed learning all about Nearpod. We will be able to see how well you did learning about the landforms.